Welcome to Medis Global. Today we are discussing about some important updates for the IAS and ASC examination. So basically, this is the best opportunity for all the GATE aspirants who has recently given the GATE examination. Here in the table, as you can see that the form filling will be start from April 07, 2021 and the last date for the form filling is April 27, and the preliminary examination will be held in the July 18. Then after the result will become into September 2021, then main examination will be there, and at the end your interview in the third stage. Then final result will become into January. So this is the best opportunity for all the GATE aspirants who have recently given the examination. In general, candidates having BE or BTech degree from any government approved university can apply for this examination. And for more details you can check the official website. Now this is the first paper in which there will be two types. First one is in the paper 1, General Studies and Engineering Aptitude is there, which consists of 200 marks and the time duration will be 2 hours. Then similarly for the paper 2, Engineering Discipline, here the branches are CE, ME, E and ENT are only eligible for this examination, and the total marks for this paper 2 will be 300 marks and the duration is 3 hours. So for the first stage, the examination will be in the form of MCQs only, and there will be negative marking which is 1/3. So once again, this first stage is similar to the GATE examination. The students who have appeared in this examination have just go through the general studies part once and they can continue their preparation. In the second stage, the students who have cleared stage 1, they can appear for the stage 2 of examination. Here this is the expected cutoff for stage 1 for different branches like civil, mechanical, electrical and ENT. Now as you can see that this is the stage 2, which is also known as conventional paper or mains examination. So in the second stage there will be 2 papers. Each paper is considering 3 hours and total 300 plus 300 means 600 marks. Here in the second stage, in both the papers the subjects are only the technical subjects which we have already covered in the GATE examination. But here you have to just practice more questions because the theoretical paper is there. So you have to practice more questions. You have to revise all the concepts with detail. And after, only those candidates qualifying at this stage, which is stage 1 and stage 2, are selected for the stage 3, which is personality test, or you can say that interview. As you can see that personality test is include total 200 marks. So the total of the ASC examination will be 1300 marks, 500 marks for stage 1, then after 600 marks for stage 2 and the 200 marks for interview. Now let's see the syllabus of the examination. Here as you can see that for General Studies and Engineering Aptitude, the syllabus will be same for all the branches. Now in the General Studies there are 10 topics are there. Here one major advantage for GATE aspirants that you have to prepare only 8 topics because the topic 2nd and 3rd you have already covered in the syllabus of the GATE examination. So you have to just prepare only 8 new topics for the ASC examination and practice more questions, and you have to give the test series. As you can see that here it is the syllabus for mechanical engineering branch. This is technical syllabus. Here in the paper 1, these are the subjects. First one is fluid mechanics. In the fluid mechanics, like basic concepts of properties of fluids, then manometry, then fluid statics, buoyancy, equations of motion, Bernoulli's equation, applications of viscous flow of incompressible fluids, then laminar and turbulent flows, flow through pipes and head losses in pipes. So here as you can see that most of the syllabus topics are similar to the GATE examination. I would say that 90% of the technical syllabus will be remain same for the ASC examination. So this is the best opportunity for the students who have appeared in the GATE examination 2021 because still you have 4 to 5 months for preparing the examination. Then after for the thermodynamics and heat transfer, the syllabus on your screen now. You can take a screenshot if you want. These all the topics which are similar as per the GATE examination, so you have to keep revising the subjects. Then after the next subject is IC engine, refrigeration and air conditioning. This is the syllabus for the third subject. Then after the next subject is turbo machinery. For this subject the syllabus you can see on the screen now, so you can take the screenshot of the syllabus. Then after the next subject is power plant engineering. Here it includes Rankine and Brayton cycle with regeneration and reheat, fuels and their properties, etc. Then after the next subject is renewable sources of energy, which consists solar radiation, solar thermal energy collection, etc. Then after now for the second paper, the subject will be, first one is engineering mechanics. Here in the engineering mechanics, analysis of forces, friction, centroid and center of gravity, dynamics, stresses and strains, etc. Then the next subject is engineering materials. For that basic crystallography, alloys and phase diagrams, etc. Then the next subject is mechanism and machines. So you can take a screenshot of this slide also. Then after the next subject is design of machine element. Then the 11th subject, which is manufacturing, industrial and maintenance engineering. This is the most important subject. Then after the last one, which is mechatronics and robotics. So this subject will be something new for the examination. So once again you can see the important dates for the examination. Please take the screenshot of this slide. So hope for the best, wish you all the best for the examination preparation. Thank you so much.